Hello everybody! Welcome back to Win's Life. Welcome back to our vlog. And welcome back to our What's for Dinner. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? It's still the Wagyu. The Wagyu that we bought a few days ago. And remember I said I'm going to cut it like three pieces. So we ate the first part already, and then the second part, the second piece, I didn't vlog that one. And this is the third piece that I'm going to have for dinner tonight. And since it's just gonna be for me, this piece right here, look how it's like gold. It's like gold. For me, I treat this like it's gold. The Wagyu. So, but anyway, it's really thick. See, a really thick piece. So I'm going to again cut this like in the middle here. Maybe I'll cut this one yeah, like this one, like here. I don't know if you can see it, like that thickness. Look how beautiful it looks because of the way how we are going to cook the beef. So there it is, guys. There's like 3 pieces. And the reason why I wanted this thin is because I am going to make some Wagyu Katsu. Yes, Wagyu Katsu. That's the reason why I want it thin, because I want it to have crispy outside and medium inside. So it's easier to cook it this way because we're doing katsu. And let me wash my hands. And because it's just for me, the other piece, I'm going to save it for my breakfast. Or my lunch. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper later. So it's okay to be in the fridge because these 2 pieces are enough for 1 meal because guys, Wagyu is very rich. So if you eat more than these 2, well, for me, I cannot eat more than 2 pieces because I get what's the word? In Tagalog, nakakasuya. I don't know how to say it in English. Like you have enough, you know, like you don't want to eat it anymore. So comment down below what's the English for that one. Get sick of it, I guess. And then I'm going to put it aside for a while because it's still very cold. So we want it kind of like almost room temperature. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I have 1 egg. Just beat 1 egg, and then I add a little bit of cold water to the egg. So for our beef, I'm only gonna season it with pepper, salt, garlic powder. That's all I'm putting for our seasoning. That's our egg with a little bit of water, cold water. And then this is a mixture of cornstarch and flour, and that's the panko, Japanese panko breadcrumbs. So what I'm going to do is put the oh no, we have our assembly line wrong. So it's supposed to be the flour first, and then the egg. I'll put the beef first on our flour and cornstarch mixture. And then we'll dip it on our egg so your panko will stick to the meat. And me, I like a lot of panko because I like it crunchy. So that's the reason why I cut it this thinly slice, so it's easier to fry, because this one I don't want the outside to be done already and then the beef is still raw. Make sure the edge has breadcrumbs also. There you go. I'm going to wash my hands and we are going to fry that. Okay, we are ready to fry our Wagyu beef. Make sure the oil is not very hot, so you won't burn the outside and then the inside is raw. We're going to fry that until it's golden brown, probably like 2 minutes on each side. Let's check. Beautiful. So we're just gonna finish cooking that. So guys, this is our Wagyu Katsu, and I'm just letting it rest for a few seconds. And I'm going to make my dipping sauce. This is just regular soy sauce and I'm adding some vinegar. You can use, I guess, whatever kind of dipping sauce you have. So you can also use your sweet chili sauce, but for now I wanted some soy sauce. Okay, I guess it's okay for me to cut the beef. The reason why you want to cut it, guys, is so it's easier to eat it when you want to pick up a piece and then dip it on your sauce. So hopefully I won't ruin it. Oh my, it is perfect. So let's do some plating. And here it is, guys. Yum. So I have my dipping sauce and I'm pairing it with this sticky rice. I'm craving for sticky rice, so I made sticky rice and I have some pickled radish and pickled ginger. Oh my gosh, it smells so delish. It is perfect. I can't wait try it. Dinner time. My happiness. My happiness after I cook. Let us try it, guys. My goodness, it smells so good. See how beautiful. Got it. It is perfect. I wanna try it first without the soy sauce. So crunchy. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. My mouth is so happy right now. Very crispy. I want to show it closer. Look at how perfect. Perfect how I cook it. I want to dip it. I should put sesame seed on my rice, huh? So I want to eat it with rice and the soy sauce. Look how sticky. The crumbs is very delicious. Or the crumbs, the crust. And because the beef is very rich, I want to pair it with this I always forget the name, radish, pickled radish, because the pickled radish is a little sweet and sour. So when you get like the umay factor, the whatever you call that, sick of it eating the beef because it's so rich, you eat this. It will clean your palate. Even the ginger. It's also good dipping it in the soy sauce. Because of my soy sauce, guys, it's not very salty. One of the best dish that I ever put in my mouth. So I'm putting some ginger with our beef. If I have something to say about the first dish that we cooked with this Wagyu, the first one or this one, I think I like this one this way better. I like the first one too, the first dish, the way how I cook it, like a steak type. But this one is just a little unique because it has a different texture to it. But they're both really good. But if you're the type that you get, you get, what's the word for that? Because it's so rich that you cannot eat a lot of it, this way is better. This cooking method is better. I'm going to Google that. What is that word? Sick of it. Where you get sick of it? Because it's so... that's not a good word. Sick of it. Umay, maumay, Maybe I will call Suzette and ask her what is it in English. Or maybe I ask Alexa if she knows. Maybe hold on. Let me search it. Fed up. Nakakasawa is fed up. I don't know if you can use that word fed up. Fed up is more for like if you don't wanna, oh, I said I'm so fed up with boiled eggs every day. I guess fed up, or it is the other way. What's the other word that I say a while ago? Sick of it. You get sick of it. Fed up or sick of it, I guess. There's the, even though it's the word nakakasawa, I'm so fed up of eating eggs every day. Yes, you can say fed up. But anyway, so there, it translated for me. So yeah, because it's so rich, then you get that feeling that you don't want to eat it anymore. And but because it's cooked this way with the panko breadcrumbs, it made it better that you won't feel that feeling. So especially if you pair it with the radish, pickled radish and pickled ginger. I'm going to enjoy this before it gets really cold. It's still a little warm. So I want to say bye now so I can eat it and enjoy it while it's still warm. And I'm not gonna get fed up. The word for the day, fed up. Fed up or sick of it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your patience listening to me. So I will see you guys again on our next video, and I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Bye for now.